My name's Hannah, and I'm one of the lead TAs for the CS department. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use Zoom. So first things first, you're a CS student with a serious question and you're looking for a serious answer from a CS TA. Let's start by asking a question. Open chat, go to the chat, and type your problem. Use the same sort of format that you'd use if you were in a lab. So my name's Hannah. I'm in CS 149, and I'm having a serious issue with Hello World. Once you've typed your question, patiently wait for a TA to respond. From there, the TA will be able to add you into a breakout room. Accept your invitation and join the breakout room. Once you've entered the breakout room, you can receive help from a TA. Inside the breakout room, you can share your screen. Let's try sharing our code. Now, the TA will be able to see everything in your code. They can, if they'd like to, add some annotations, like so. Yep, looks like code to me. Or, if you give them access, or if they request access, they can get remote control. From there, the TA will be able to interact directly with your code, like so. Wow, that's pretty neat. But don't expect your TA to solve everything for you.